G'day, Malcolm here from the Gaia Garden. Welcome to our second how-to video. This one's on making your own Bokashi Bran from EM1 liquid, which if you saw the last video you know you can make yourself, and use coffee grounds. So here we go. For 500 grams of coffee grounds, which is a small amount but I'm doing it here as an example, you need 30 mils of unchlorinated filtered or rainwater, a teaspoon full of our friend organic molasses. Mentioned in the last one, some molasses have sulfur in them, which will kill the bacteria, so you have to make sure it's non-sulfated, no sulfur. Once that's all mixed in, then we add the microbe solution. So that's another 30 mils. Give it a good stir to dissolve the molasses, which never dissolves properly, does it? And then we start to just drizzle that onto the coffee grounds. Stir them around a bit. You can use a spatula if you want, but I'm really tactile. I like my hands. Make sure it's really thoroughly mixed in. Every individual coffee ground's got a little bit of moisture. Now this will look a bit damp at the beginning, but eventually you're going to dry the coffee grounds out unless you use them straight away. So then we add the remaining liquid. Give that a good mix. And you've got to get the microbes spread around, the molasses spread around really nicely. Make sure they're thoroughly mixed. Once you think they're mixed, mix it a bit more. The better you mix it, the quicker things are going to work. Alright, so then we add it to our airtight container. Bokashi's are anaerobic, so it doesn't use oxygen, so it prefers to be oxygen-free conditions. And 500 grams just about fills one of your small Makona jars, which is kind of ironic because it's coffee and that's a coffee jar, so there you go. Alright, close it down, settle it down, put the lid on, and then put it somewhere warm for, depending on the time of year, this time of year 3 to 5 days, it's colder weather. Summer you can do it in 1 or 2 days, and then when you know it's ready, because the carbon dioxide produced by the microbes will help to push the lid off. As soon as the lid pops off a little bit, you know that everything's active and the population are doing what they want. The other way is to smell it, and you'll find that the coffee smell is gone to be replaced by a lightly fermented smell. You'll still probably smell a touch of coffee, but that's it. Then from there, you excuse me, I forgot to grab this bit. When that's done, you spread your coffee grounds out on the surface evenly and dry them. And the bacteria will go dormant, and then they're ready for when you add it to your compost. Or if you're going to use this like in a hurry, you know you'll do it quickly, you can use it as soon as it's fermented. So I like to do big batches of several kilos, and then I'll dry a couple of kilos, and that'll last me for quite a bit longer. So there we are, making your own Bokashi Bran from used coffee grounds, which are free. Okay, well thank you for looking at our video. Myself and young Talon here, happy to bring them to you. We're working as a good team now. This is our second video, but we've got it down pat. And I don't know if you can see Athena, she's come to say g'day too. She never gets left out of a shot.
Hope you guys did enjoy the second video. I loved making it with Malcolm, of course. And don't forget to subscribe to Lagaya Gardens. And also, if you want, check out Nifty Shots. It's a gaming channel of mine where I do streams every week.
Thank you. There we are. Perfect. Look at that. One hit. Basically one